Hi guys, good morning. Happy Valentine's everyone. So surprise natin yung guys, yung partner ko. So surprise natin. May surprise gift tayo para sa Valentine's Day. Ito po yung surprise gift natin guys. Okay, maingay. Ito po yun. Ayun.
What the fuck?
Ano ba yan guys? May kasama yan guys. Yes. Diba guys? Unique yung gift natin guys para sa Valentine's Day. Nakasawa na yung mga flowers na yan guys, chocolate. Bubusugin natin siya guys. Pagkain yung natin, gift natin sa kanya. And guys, saglit na lang guys, darating na yan.
3,000 years later.
Guys,
Happy Valentine's Day.
Nice.
May surprise din nakaserve. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Buhay na buhay.
Ayun, masarap. And guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you.